Now we are considering call by a reference implementation, or passing address of the variable as a parameter to the function, and you can use pointer to hold the address of the variable. Okay, so let us consider to perform sum of two given numbers. So let us consider a comma b are the two variables. So now we can read these variable corresponding values and pass them as parameter to the function. Okay, so now I'll prompt the user here to enter any two values, and using scanf function we can read those values like %d, %d, address of a comma address of b. Okay, now we need to pass these variables as parameter to a function so that it will compute sum of these two numbers. So I'll consider find sum as the name of the function, and passing two variables address of a comma address of b as parameters. And this function I'm using return type as void so that I can display the result within this function. And using pointer we are performing here star ptr1 comma int star ptr2. So within this function we can compute a result by adding the content which is pointed by ptr1 and ptr2, because ptr1 will be holding address of a and ptr2 will be holding address of b. Okay, now consider another variable called res, which is a result variable. And now res is equal to star ptr1 plus star ptr2, and finally you can print the result. So result after adding is %d/n, and you can display res value. Okay, so let's run this code and see the result. Enter any two values 12 and 23, and you can observe the result after adding is 35. 12 plus 23 is 35. So this is how you can pass address of the variable as parameter to the function and compute and display the result. So the entire computation is done with the help of these pointer variables, which are currently holding the address of the variables which are passed in the main function. Okay, so this is also as an example of call by reference implementation, and this is also considered as using pointers as parameter to a function. Okay,